Hello everyone. Last time we have learned the method of undetermined coefficients. So today we are going to continue it. Last time we have seen only one example. So today we are going with another one. Suppose example, solve the equation y double dash plus 3y dash plus 2y is equal to 3 e raised to x plus 12 sine 2x. Then if you are writing this, put d by dx is equal to capital D, and in that case your equation 1 will be in the form of d square y plus 3dy plus 2y is equal to 3 e raised to x plus 12 sine 2x, and writing in simple form, then d square plus 3d plus 2 of y 3 e raised to x 12 sine 2x. Now your auxiliary equation is d square plus 3d plus 2 is equal to 0, and if you are going to factorize it, then the factors are d plus 1, d plus 2 is equal to 0. That will give d is equal to minus 1 and minus 2, and therefore your complementary function will be c1 e raised to minus x plus c2 e raised to minus 2x. Now here, what is our Rx? Rx is equal to 3 e raised to x plus 12 sine 2x. Now family of e raised to x, union family of sine 2x. Now e raised to x as a family e raised to x, and sine 2x as a family sine 2x and cos 2x. See, neither of this is repeating in a complementary function. So simply the union will be the required family of Rx. So union will be e raised to x, sine 2x and cos 2x. So choice of yp, let yp is equal to a e raised to x plus b sine 2x plus c cos 2x. Now we have to put the value of yp here in equation 1. So we have to find out the values of yp dash and yp double dash. So yp dash is a e raised to x plus sine as a derivative cos, so 2b cos 2x, and cos as a derivative sine, so 2c sine 2x, minus, again differentiating with respect to x, that will give a e raised to x, cos as a derivative minus sine, so minus 4b sine 2x minus 4c cos 2x. Now putting all this value in equation 1. So putting values in equation 1, what we have is y double dash will be replaced with 5p dash, that means a e raised to x minus 4b sine 2x minus 4c cos 2x plus 3 into yp dash, that will be a e raised to x plus 2b cos 2x minus 2c sine 2x, and 2 into y will be replaced with yp, so 2 into a e raised to x plus b sine 2x plus c cos 2x and is equal to 3 e raised to x plus 12 sine 2x. Now multiply and simplify, and that will give you, that implies a e raised to x minus 4b sine 2x minus 4c cos 2x plus 3a e raised to x plus 6b cos 2x minus 6c sine 2x plus 2a e raised to x plus 2b sine 2x plus 2c cos 2x is equal to 3 e raised to x plus 12 sine 2x. Now simplifying the terms, that means first combine the terms with e raised to x. So what we have is a e raised to x plus 3a plus 2a, that means a plus 3a plus 2a, that will be 6a e raised to x plus, now the terms of sine 2x into the bracket minus 4b minus 6c plus 2b plus cos 2x into minus 4c plus 6b plus 2c is equal to 3 e raised to x plus 12 sine 2x. Now comparing the coefficients both sides. That will give you 6a is equal to 3. So a is equal to 1 upon 2. Second one, minus 4b plus 2b, that will be minus 2b minus 6c is equal to sine 2x as a coefficient 12. And here 2c minus 4c, that will be a minus 2c plus 6b is equal to, now here there is no term of cos, so is equal to 0. From this one we have 2c is equal to 6b and therefore c is equal to 3b. Put this value here and that will give you c is equal to 2b, so minus 2b minus 6 into 3b is equal to 12. So minus 2b minus 18b is equal to 12. So minus 20b is equal to 12 and that will give b is equal to minus 12 upon 20. That means b is equal to minus 3 upon 5. Put it here, that will give c is equal to 3 into minus 3 upon 5 and that will be a minus, c is equal to minus 9 upon 5. Now put this all values in equation number 2. So putting these values in equation 2, we have yp is equal to 1 upon 2 e raised to x minus 3 upon 5 sine 2x minus 9 upon 5 cos 2x. So this is your required yp and therefore the general solution will be y is equal to cf plus pi and that will be a c1 e raised to minus x plus c2 e raised to minus 2x plus 1 by 2 e raised to x minus 3 by 5 sine 2x minus 9 by 5 cos 2x. Okay, now we are going to check the second example. Solve the equation y double dash plus 2y dash minus 35y is equal to 12 e raised to 5x plus 37 sine 5x using method of undetermined coefficients. So again starting with the equation y double dash plus 2y dash minus 35y is equal to 12 e raised to 5x plus 37 sine 5x. Putting d by dx is equal to capital D, and that will give d square y plus 2dy minus 35 is equal to 12 e raised to 5x plus 37 sine 5x. And that's why we have d square plus 2d minus 35y is equal to 12 e raised to 5x plus 37 sine 5x. So our auxiliary equation is d square plus 2d minus 35 is equal to 0. So d square plus 7d minus 5d minus 35 is equal to 0. And that will give you d into d plus 7 minus 5 into d plus 7 is equal to 0. So we have two factors, d plus 7, d minus 5. So d has a value minus 7 and 5. So complementary function will be c1 e raised to minus 7x plus c2 e raised to 5x. Now Rx is equal to 12 e raised to 5x plus 37 sine 5x. Now the family of e raised to 5x union family of sine 5x. Now see, if you are writing the family of e raised to 5x, then it is e raised to 5x. Union, sine has a derivative family sine 5x cos 5x. Correct? So what we have to do is, if you are going to check it in a complementary function, then e raised to 5x is going to be repeated. In the case of repetition, you have to modify, and modification is done with a multiplication by x. So instead of this, now we are going to write the modified family. The modification can be done by multiplying with x. So x e raised to 5x union sine 5x cos 5x. See, only e raised to 5x is repeated, so we are only going to modify the term of e raised to 5x. There is no repetition in sine or cos, that's why it is not going to be modified. That family remains as it is. Only the family of e raised to 5x can be modified. And so now x e raised to 5x is not there. So now union will be x e raised to 5x sine 5x and cos 5x. So your choice of yp, that will be ax e raised to 5x plus b sine 5x plus c cos 5x. Yp dash, that will be a, you have to apply u into v. Derivative of x will be 1 e raised to 5x as it is plus e raised to 5x as a derivative 5x e raised to 5x. Sine has a derivative cos, so 5b cos 5x. Cos has a derivative minus sine, so minus 5c sine 5x. Yp double dash will be 5a e raised to 5x. Here again u into v. So x is a derivative 1, so 5a e raised to 5x. Second time x as it is, derivative of e raised to will be 25 ax e raised to 5x. Cos is a derivative minus sine, so minus 25b sine 5x. minus 25c cos 5x. So this will be 5 plus 5 10 e raised to 5x plus 25ax e raised to 5x minus 25b sin 5x minus 25c cos 5x. Now we are going to put these values in equation 1. So putting values in equation 1, what we will have is 10 a e raised to 5x plus 25ax e raised to 5x minus 25b sin 5x minus 25c cos 5x plus 2 into yp dash, that will be a 2a e raised to 5x plus 10ax e raised to 5x plus 10b cos 5x minus 10c sin 5x, and the last term multiplying this with minus 35, so minus 35 ax e raised to 5x minus 35b sin 5x minus 35c cos 5x is equal to 12 e raised to 5x plus 37 sin. Now simplify. So terms of e raised to 5x will be 12a e raised to 5x. Terms of x e raised to 5x is 25 plus 10 35 minus 35, so this will be cancelled out. Now the terms of sin 5x. Sin 5x has a coefficient minus 25b minus 10c minus 35b. Same manner cos 5x. So cos 5x has a terms minus 25c plus 10b minus 35c is equal to 12 e raised to 5x plus 37 sin 5x. So if you are comparing both sides, then you will have 12a comparing coefficients both sides, that will have 12a is equal to 12 minus 10c minus 60b is equal to 37 and a 10b minus 60c is equal to 0, because there is no term of, from the first one you will have a is equal to 1, from this one you will have 10b is equal to 60c, so b is equal to 6c. Put this value here, so minus 10c minus 60 into 6b is equal to 37. So minus 10c minus 360c is equal to 37. So minus 370c, and that will give you c is equal to minus 1 upon 10. C is minus 1 upon 10, so 6 into minus 1 upon 10. So b will be minus 3 upon 5. Now putting these values in equation number 2, that means our choice of yp. So yp will be, putting values in equation, so yp is equal to x e raised to 5x, because a has a value 1, b has a value minus 3 by 5 into sin 5x minus 1 upon 10 into cos 5x, and therefore the general solution will be y is equal to cf plus pi, and that will be a c1 e raised to minus 7x plus c2 e raised to 5x plus x e raised to 5x minus 3 by 5 sin 5x minus 1 upon 10 cos 5x. This is the final answer.